Today I'm doing a quick video here inside my house because it's pretty hot outside and the weather is very unpredictable. I did a swap with a friend she's a friend through Instagram and a fellow YouTuber. So her YouTube name is Succulent always. I will put it right here. And also her Instagram is the same name. If you guys can go over there and show her some love. She did an unboxing of some plants that I sent her. We did a swap. Look at the cute cactus she drew right there. And we kind of discussed already what we were exchanging, but I don't know really what it looks like in person. So let's just go ahead and get in here. I'm trying to do a video inside. I'll get interrupted by my dogs and anybody else. Oh, there's Taz, my old man. He can still jump. He's 14. I love him. Okay, guys, let's see what we got from Emma. Emma's a really, really personable person and a sweet girl. You guys should check out her YouTube channel. You guys will like her. If you guys like me, you'll definitely like her. She's very sweet. Let's see what this is. And I think it's an embricata. And you can see how quickly she got a little stressed out there in the box. But she'll recover. But that's from just the shipping. Where are you? Wow, this is a big one. She wanted to make sure to give me one that was established. That's so sweet of her. These are very hard to find here in Florida, at least where I live. You know what? When I went to Isaac Farms, I don't think I saw any embricatas, actually. Look at that one. Some little small leaves for propagation that came off. There we go. Okay, how pretty she is. See how wide open? It's just because she was used to that beautiful California sun and then she went in a box, so that's why. But she's gonna recover nicely. Stuff all over my thing. I think this might be aliens. Yep, I don't have this. Oopsie. Oh no! Come back. There you go. Look at how pretty these are. I really like these. I like how fat and chubby they are, and they look like a rose. So cute. Let's see. 2 more things in here. I told her I wanted lots of embricatas. Like, you know, that's what I like because I can't find them here. So she sent me a decent amount. Look at how pretty this one is. This one's nice and curled up. So pretty. Oh, what is, I can't remember the name of this one. This one is beautiful. Look at how pretty. She's so pretty. I like how closed up she is. This should root pretty quickly. Look at how pretty she is. I might do, I might let this one root in water. I think. We'll see. Anyways, guys, let me open these up here. See if I can show them off to you. Oh well, I'll vacuum my ottoman when I'm done. This ottoman actually belongs to the dog. This is what it's there for them. It's a big ottoman. Look at these beauties. There they are. I'll give you guys an update as soon as these, we'll see how many days they take to get back into the shape that they were. And I'll update you guys. So today is Tuesday, September 4th. So we'll see how long they take to this one to root, because the other ones have root, I believe. And then how long these will take to get back into their natural shape and color. Anyways, thank you so much, Emma. I really enjoyed the plants, beautiful plants. Thank you for doing this swap with me. Guys, I'm going to let her info in the description box below. Please go show her some love. She just started sharing her passion for succulents on her YouTube channel. She does have a beautiful collection, and she lives in California, so she's like in the best place to collect succulents. So just go ahead and show her some love. Actually, she also has a really good video on how they build like shelter over their I would say it's like a pergola over her succulents. They did a great job. I really like that. So just go ahead and go check out her videos and let her know that I sent you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Bye, guys.